Hi everybody, my name is Joe Summers, and along with my wife Tanya, we own and operate Chalily. One of the questions that I get asked a lot at Chalily is, what's your favorite plant to add to the pond? The problem I have with answering that question is I'm a horticulturalist. I have so many favorite plants. One of my favorites happens to be bluebells. Something peculiar about the plant called bluebells is there's a version that's blue, kind of purplish, and there's a version that's pink. So when you come to Chalily and you want bluebells, we could be showing you a pink flower. So bluebells get between 18 and 24 inches tall. They are an annual. They grow in full sun to part shade, and of course they bloom either in pink or blue are the ones that we carry at Chalily. In your pond, it should be 0 to 6 inches under the water surface. I do appreciate you watching. Check us out at chalily.com, Facebook, or Instagram.